Kaur welcome you all to Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashita and Amrit Vachan by Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh Shri Budhya Ram.
परं क्षिप्तिदोषेण वर्तमानः स्वयं तथा यश्च क्रुध्यत्यनीशानः सा च मूढ़मतो नरः। जो व्यक्ति दोषी तो स्वयं होता है परंतु दोषी दूसरों को बताता है, और जो अत्यंत क्रोधी स्वभाव का होता है उसे सबसे मूढ़ कहा जाता है। अमृत वचन। जीवन की सबसे बड़ी प्रसन्नता उस काम को करने में है जिसे लोग कहते हैं तुम नहीं कर सकते। भारत माता की जय।
Now, let's have a look at the headlines of last week. In a press note issued on the occasion of 12th examination results, Shri Vijay Nadda ji said that academic excellence should be our destination. Members of Management Committee are coming forward to serve under Adapt to Educate scheme. A virtual competition was held in Pathankot Department on the death anniversary of Shaheed Udham Singh ji. On the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, Shri Vijay Thakur ji said that we too have to become patriots like martyrs. Vedic mathematics workshop was completed online in all the departments of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti. Seminar was organized for the teachers in Fazilka Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir. Festival of Teej was celebrated with traditional gaiety in all the Vidya Mandirs. Various activities were conducted at Sharda Sarvitkari, Sector 40D Chandigarh and Madhav Vidya Niketan, Amritsar. Training for the making of handicraft items was conducted at Shokran Vidya Mandir. New principals have been appointed at Dinanagar and Taragar Vidya Mandirs. Medicinal plants were planted in Vidya Mandir. Now news in detail. Together we are moving towards academic excellence. Educational excellence should be our destination. These words were said by Shri Vijay Nadda ji, the organizing secretary of Vidya Bharati North Zone, during the press release issued on the occasion of excellent examination result of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir. It is noteworthy that in the last few days, CBSE and PSP results of class 12 has been declared. He further said that instead of being satisfied with just this, we need to put more efforts to increase our test results in the upcoming board examinations. We are moving in the right direction and our efforts will definitely take us to that destination. The members of Managing Committee of Vidya Mandirs are also coming forward in Adapt to Educate scheme of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti. Taking this process forward, Shri Tarachand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Bhiki's manager Shri Amrit Lal ji adopted one child, while Managing Committee member Shri Ashok Jain ji adopted 3 children. Similarly, educational lovers are also participating in this scheme. Shri Muksar Sahib ji, social worker and educational lover advocate Anurag Sharma ji presented a check to Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School Shri Muksar Sahib. An online teacher competition was organized in Pathankot Department on 31st July on the death anniversary of Shaheed Udham Singh ji. Along with this, news has been received from all the Vidya Mandirs of celebrating the death anniversary of Shaheed Udham Singh ji with full devotion. On this occasion, students made beautiful posters and sang patriotic songs. After a long time, on 26 July, as soon as Vidya Mandirs opened, a program was organized in all the Vidya Mandirs on the 22nd July on the eve of Kargil Vijay Divas, in which the martyrs were honored. On this occasion, Finance Secretary Sarvitkari of Shiksha Samiti, Shri Vijay Thakur ji said that Kargil Vijay Divas reminds us of the valor and sacrifice of our brave soldiers. In the Vidya Mandirs of Vidya Bharati, children are being taught Vedic mathematics from the very early age. For this, many programs are being organized from time to time. In this sequence, department level Vedic mathematics workshops were organized in which students and teachers participated enthusiastically. In Lala, Sarandas Butaram Agarwal Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Fazilka, a seminar was organized for the teachers under the guidance of Managing Committee and Principal Mrs. Madhu Sharma. Mr. Jolly Monga, a child protection officer, was invited as a resource person in the seminar. The festival of Teej was celebrated in the month of Sawan. It is also called Haryali Teej. It is celebrated to apprise the children about the importance of Punjabi heritage so that this culture can be carried forward to coming generations. This festival was celebrated with traditional Gati in all the Vidya Mandirs. On this occasion, Mehndi and Gidda competitions were organized in which everyone participated according to their interest. Sarvitkari Model Senior Secondary School, 40D Chandigarh, Shishu Vatika and Madhav Vidya Niketan, Amritsar performed various activities in the month of July. In Chandigarh, children were taught the importance of bathing, washing hands and taking care of their hygiene while bubble activities were conducted in Amritsar. Under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Nirupama Sharma ji, a skill development handicraft workshop was completed under National Education Policy at Shri Ilan Chand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Shodra, in which the principal imparted the detailed information about art and craft to the teachers. According to the orders of Sarvitkari Education Committee, a senior teacher of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Dinanagar, Mrs. Kumari Sonika ji, took over the responsibility of principalship of Vidya Mandir, while the principal of Dinanagar Vidya Mandir, Mr. Sahadev Sharma, took the responsibility of Taragar Vidya Mandir. It is noteworthy that Shri Vikram Samyal ji, the former principal of Taragar Vidya Mandir, has got the responsibility of director of Taragar Vidya Mandir as well as Pathankot Department Secretary. Environmental Protection Week was celebrated in all the Vidya Mandirs to keep the students engaged in campaign of environmental protection. In this sequence, while giving information about medicinal plants to the children, medicinal plants were also planted by the children. A special news regarding this has been received from Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sector 43 Chandigarh and Ram Darbar, Sujanpur, Chokran and Bani Lodi Vidya Mandirs of Chandigarh. Now, one news, one photo. Yogacharya Gagandeep Pathak of Dayanand Public School, Pandu Sarnabha was awarded with the certificate of Yoga Teacher and Evaluator by Yoga Certification Board, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Someone donated a cupboard in secret in Shri Roshan Lal Jain Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Ambor. On July 25th, the meeting of Alumni Council of Vidya Bharati Punjab was completed through Google Meet. A one-day workshop on the skill development by primary teachers was organized under the supervision of Mrs. Usha Goyal Ji, Coordinator and Vice Principal of Vidya Mandir Primary Wing at Lala Kasturi Lal Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir, Rampura Full. Parent contact continues in Lodi, Pathankot Vidya Mandir. Shri Sushant Manohar, an alumnus of Mukerian Vidya Mandir, adopted a student under Adapt to Educate. Dedication program concluded at Morinda Primary Vidya Mandir. Students celebrated rainy day at Jitendra V. Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Mohali. A check of 10,000 was sent by Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti to the corona-affected teacher Shrimati Minakshi Garg of Sadhu Ashram Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir, Sangru. Music workshop was concluded at J. Morinda Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir. Let's watch a video of activities of Shrimati Rajni Mahendra Chandra Vidya Mandir. Shishu Vatika, Shishu Vatika, Shishu Vatika. Mrs. Jyoti Tiwari, a teacher of Chandigarh Vidya Mandir, was honored by Vidya Bharati E-Pathshala for her excellent work. Ram Darbar, Chandigarh Vidya Mandir, student made a train with matchwork and matchstick. Now let's watch the beautiful presentation of Gurdaspur Vidya Mandir under our Vidya Mandir series.
इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है। हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है।
हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है।
Let's watch another beautiful presentation of Shishu Vatika. That's all for this week. See you next week with new headlines.